Oops, I forgot about the shrub. Oh my god. All the Slender Man junk at this point, they're just making a buck off the corpse of a dead girl. What? I don't like gore, me either. But I love supernatural horror movies. I mean, I love the movie Interview with the Vampire. Does that count? That's not really horror, though. I mean, it got a little bit bloody, but it wasn't that bad. New Child's Play movie looks horror. Horror, not for me. Horror movies are not for me. What time is it here? It's 4:30. You need a sport channel? Yeah, I don't know. Watch Donnie Darko. Might be too dark for you, though. I mean, I'm okay with dark. Dark is fine. I just don't like gore. Or, like, really scary. I don't like the kind of scary that messes with your head. Vampires are sexy? Yes. Yes, they are. I'm into it. That's because Brad Pitt's in it. And Tom Cruise. Hello. Did you see the movie Get Out? No. Change of scenery today? Yeah, Connor, dude. We were in Santa Cruz last night, and then today we're back in the Bay. Oh, Get Out. Anne's movie critique. Yes. Guys, should we start up a movie night? I've been thinking about it lately. I feel like it would be really, really fun if we started up movie nights. They wouldn't be streamed. It would just be us. What do you think? Mystery movies and documentaries. Very cool. Nay, you guys don't want a movie night. Okay. I have seen that movie, Jim. Does Mr. Lanty watch your Twitch? Sometimes he lurks, so behave. Didn't care for MA? What? Wait, MA. You do a movie night? Like movie night in Discord? Yeah. Yeah, Rabbit. Isn't Justin Bieber fighting Tom Cruise in UFC? What? Movie night plus? Maybe we'll do it. Maybe we'll do it. Guys, join the Discord if you want updates. Does he approve of all the thirsty chat? Listen. He can handle it. He lurks and twerks. You would not want to see him twerk. Devil, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome. It's on Discord right now, before and after the restoration. What is? Oh, you're painting. Thank you so much. Thank you, Perma. See, Haunting of Hill House. Yeah, someone else just said that, so maybe we can make that our first movie night. If we can get access to that movie, maybe someone else can start it. Connor, thank you for the host. Thank you. We could stream Unacknowledged. It's a documentary on Netflix. Okay. Can you watch movies in Twitch without violating? No, Idlespeed. The thing is, it wouldn't be able to be streamed. We would be in Discord and just all watching a movie together. Donnie Darko kind of is a must-watch title in my opinion. Okay. Deep and psychological, but well made. Okay. Maybe I do want to see it. Did you ever think of it? Yeah. I mod for another streamer that rallies everyone in Discord and takes everyone to Reddit for a movie night. That sounds great. Okay, Chef. Maybe we can do it. The Haunting of Hill House is a series. Well, then maybe we can watch an episode or 2 episodes. What do you think? We can watch like 2 episodes of a show instead of a movie? Would you guys do that? Dead to Me is good on Netflix. I think one of my parents is watching that show right now. I think. I'll have to check it out. This comment is addressed at you. Oh my god. You'd watch it again? Okay, cool. Donnie Darko made Jake Gyllenhaal more prominent as an actor. Really? Because, I mean, what was his breakout film, though? I have a hair on me and it's tickling me and driving me nuts. Everything's okay. I'm here now. Johnny, how are you? Yeah, what was his breakout film? I mean, for Tom Cruise, it was Risky Business, and then I feel like Top Gun really shot him to the top, but I don't know. So, Dead Like Me can never be top. Dead Like Me is so good. That is such a good show. Oh my god. We should watch a few episodes of that. If you guys haven't seen Dead Like Me, it's so good. The only problem is it got canceled after only 2 seasons, and it didn't leave on a good place, but it's very good. Dead Like Me was so good. I haven't watched that show in a long time. Yeah, sad it was canceled. I know. If you do a movie night, you should watch Romeo and Michelle's high school reunion. Maybe. Not Dead to Me, Dead Like Me. Yeah, exactly. How about Vanilla Sky? That is such a good movie. That is such a good movie. That one messes with you too. Did you guys watch A Star Is Born with Lady Gaga? No, I didn't see it. Tom Cruise breakout was Taps. Really? Huge hit well before Risky Business? Really? Okay, I haven't heard of Taps. They made a Dead Like Me movie a couple years after it was canceled with most of the cast to tie up some... You're kidding me. Oh my god, I need to see it. Have you seen Drive with Ryan Gosling? I have not. I have not. Miller's Crossing, lesser known Coen Brothers. Miller's Crossing. I have not seen Miller's Crossing. I think I've heard of it though. Fault in the Stars. Yikes. Yeah. A movie night would be really great. I'd be so into it. Perfect. Thoughts on Scientology? My thoughts on Scientology are going to stay off of Twitch because, yeah. Because I like my life. He was barely in Taps. His first movie was Endless Love. Risky Business made him a star. That's what I thought. I figured like that was his breakout film. Not his first film, but I think that was the one that like put him on the radar, and then Top Gun was just like, now he's really a superstar. Can we do a chat meetup sometime? Guys, I'm gonna TwitchCon. Sorry about that, guys. Don't know what happened. Someone left, and then the connection blipped for a bit, but we should be back. We should be back. But yeah, guys, come to TwitchCon. Come to Twitch. On again. Yeah, we're blipping a little bit here. Sorry, guys. Imagine if you were born in the 30s, man. Where is it going to be? TwitchCon is going to be in San Diego, at the convention center, right by downtown. So definitely go. It was there in 2016, and that was my first TwitchCon. And let me tell you, it was amazing. Hey guys, sorry about that. Something was going on with the connection in there, so we left. Wife at home, only one job to survive. When TwitchCon comes to the Bay Area or Sacramento, we'll talk about it. Idol, it was in San Jose last year. Having some connection issues. Yeah, guys, we should be back now. We should be back. Scientology was hacking Wi-Fi. Yeah, why did you guys have to bring up Scientology? Anne's broken. I'm not broken. Can anyone see me right now? Can you tell people to refresh maybe? Nah, the buffer it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Where are we going now? We are gonna go chill in a park for a while. But I'm keeping my ice, even though